Good morning, class 12th. Welcome you all in Classroom Notes by Rekha Jain. And today we are going to discuss the question answers of the poem A Thing of Beauty written by John Keats. And these questions are extract based. Here comes the first extract, starting from A Thing of Beauty up to quiet breathing. Here comes the first question. How does a thing of beauty remain a joy forever? Answer. We relive the joy we think about. That means we go back into it again and again. Question number 2. Explain it will never pass into nothingness. Its answer is it will never be meaningless for us, or we will never feel bored of it. Question number 3. What rather does a beautiful thing open for us? Answer is quiet bowers, sweet, full of sweet dreams, and healthy, quiet breathing. These all the three things are given in the extract itself. See, a quiet bower for us is sleep full of sweet dreams and health and quiet breathing. Next question. What does quiet breathing imply? That means healthy mind. That means mental peace. Now extract number 2, starting from therefore up to moves away the pall. Okay, what does beauty inspire us to do? This answer can be found in the second line of the poem. The beauty inspires us to associate us to the nature. And how? By reading a flowery band. Okay. Question number 2. What is spice of despondence? This means due to failure in our attempts, many a times we feel disappointment. And when others succeed and we fail, we become jealous of them. And this is what the poet is talking about. Question number 3. What is inhuman dearth of noble nature? That means lack of moral values. Fourth, explain unhealthy and over darkened ways. Again, many times when we fail in our attempts to achieve something, we become sad. Now extract number 3. Starting from such the sun up to mid forest break. Okay. First question, what does simple sheep imply? I've already told you while explaining the poem that simple refers to innocent and pure hearted like Jesus. Why? Because sheep is reference to the lamb who was the son of Mary, and Jesus is the apostle of innocence and pure heartedness. Question number 2. Which poetic device is employed in green world they live in? Here, author has implied personification in the word live, which is generally used for living objects, and here it is used for daffodils. What does they refer to? They refers to daffodil. Question number 4. What moves away the pall from our lives? What moves away the pall from our lives? A thing of beauty moves away the pall from our life, and beauty can be found in nature according to the poet. Question number 5. What does clear rill refer to? This refers to the rivers, streams, which are the sources of clear water. Now next extract. Starting from we have imagined up to heavens bring, this the last extract of the poem. Question number 1. What does grandeur of the dome imply? Grandeur is found in the deeds of the powerful kings or the leaders. The grandeur means richness or grace, which is found in their sacrifice. Now next, explain an endless fountain of immortal drink. This means beauty of nature is never ending. Question number 3. all lovely tales. Whose and which lovely tales are being talked about? Deeds of sacrifice. Deeds means actions of sacrifice by the ancient kings or the leaders or the freedom fighters or your hero. Whosoever inspires you to do something noble, that fellow is being talked about. And why? Because they always inspire us to do something like them. So this was all in today's video. We'll meet again. Hope you must have understood the poem. Bye.